Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pick up stitches working on this cardigan that I have designed. I'm going to come back to show you the body parts, but first I want to show you how to start picking up stitches on this sleeve. So when I come to that other cardigan, I will come and show you how to do divide the body parts. So here it is. This is the sleeve. So when we're dividing the body parts, you will see that there's this gap. Okay. So with that, we're going to start the stitch. We're going to start doing the boxes, which is two chain, two chain, double crochet, two chain. Okay. So just underneath, under the arm here, this is the sleeve area right here. You will see this is the underarm. So right here, I am going to start right here. To do that, this is what you can do. What you do is, this is what I do. I go like this. Show it one more time. I twist it. I go like this. I go like this and put this underneath, and then make a loop like this, and then pull like you're doing a chain. And then, so right here where the gap is, I'm going to start right here, and I will weave this end later on. So 1, 2, 3, so that would be considered as a double crochet, and the 2 chain between. Okay, so right here I'm going to be jumping here. Can you see? So right there I will be jumping there, making a double crochet. So we're going to start with the double crochet row, 2 chain double crochet that we did, 2 chain, and then I'm going to continue crocheting the stitch on every gap that I see. Every 2 chain I will make double crochets, and then I will make 2 chains just like this. 2 chain all the way around until I come where I started. So this is going to be done around, and this is the sleeve. 2 chain, double crochet, 2 chain. That's all I'm doing. So I'm working this row right here, this row that we have done in the stitch pattern. 2 chain, double crochet, and I will do a couple of increases because I don't want that bell effect, that bell sleeve effect, that balloon effect on the sleeve. So I want it nice to fit. I don't want it loose. The yarn itself is already bulky, so I don't want to give that loose effect when I'm wearing this cardigan. Two chain, double crochet. Okay, so I'm halfway done. 2 chain, 2 chain, that's all I'm doing. Double crochet on each 2 chain, and then 2 chain to go to the next 2 chain. Okay, so I'm almost there. 2 chain. Okay, so I'm not going to do that slip stitch chain to go to the next row, 3 chain. I'm just going to do the spiral, which is this is what I do. So I come here right away. Okay, the next row is going to be, we look at it, it's going to be 2 double crochets on each 2 chain. So that's what I'm going to do. Automatically I'm going to make 2 double crochets right here. There's a little bit of gap, so hold that a little bit, and then continue making 2 double crochets. See, and it will, this is how it will look like. Okay, so I will finish this row, and when I come here I will meet you, and we will start with the next row. But other than that, I'm only doing 2 double crochets in each chain. That's all I'm doing. Okay, so I will see you at the end. Okay, so I am right where I started. I'm coming right there. I would highly recommend you to try it on and see how this fits your arm, your bicep, the largest part of your arm. So if it's too loose, then you can start doing an increase. I put it on and it was just feeling comfortable, so it was not loose at all. And I don't want to do any increase, so I will continue crocheting following the stitch. Okay, so I'm going to do my last 2 double crochets right in that 2 chain, and then here I'm going to start this row right here. See, I'm going to start making the tulips. V, 3 chain, single crochet, 3 chain, double crochet, 3 chain, and following the stitch. Okay, so going to chain 3. So 1, 2, 3 on this one. Right here I'm going to make a double crochet, 3 chain, and on that same going to make a double crochet, 3 chain, skip 2 on the third, make a single crochet, 1, 2, 3 chain, skip 2 on the third, make a double crochet, and that's all I'm going to do. Okay, just try it on, and if it's too tight, it shouldn't be tight. It shouldn't. If you want it loose, I would continue to crochet it, and then you can do your increases on the sleeve area. If you want to do a 3/4, you can work with that. But if you want to do, if it's too loose, then what you can do is you can skip. Skip means instead of doing this 3 chain, what you can do is you skip that part, and then you avoid that, and then that's how you do your decreases if it's too big, if it's too loose on you. But I don't think so, because the whole purpose of this top down is you try it on, and then try it on and see how it fits you. That's why I love about this technique, crocheting top down. Okay, so this is all I'm going to say, but other than that, you just continue crocheting until the length that you need on your sleeve. Again, if you want to do your decreases, what you do is you just skip it. You don't, you know what I mean? You don't crochet, you skip it. Just go into my top down playlist. I have several tutorials on how to knit crochet sleeves, and you can even type down crochet sleeves, and it will give you the list of tutorials that I have. I have over 700 videos, so I would highly recommend you to check it out. The decreases that you're going to make, I would highly recommend you to make it when you're doing the double crochet, 2 chain double crochet, or even these 2 double crochet. That's when you can do your decreases. Other than that, it's really hard when you're setting up these tulips that we're going to be crocheting for 2 rows. So I wouldn't recommend you to do your decreases when you're working on these 2 rows. To just do them on these 2 rows that it's more suitable for to do the decreases on those two rows. Okay, so I'm going to let you go. I hope you like this tutorial on how to pick up stitches when you're crocheting the sleeve for this design. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends, and don't be shy to hit that notification button. So every time I post a new video, you will be notified. You will be receiving a message on your YouTube channel, your YouTube account, that I have posted a new video. It will be showing under the bell button that there's a new video that I have posted. Well, you guys take care, and I will see you on the next video when I'm going to be dividing the body parts on this that I have started with you guys. So far I crocheted 2 sets, so I think I need to do 3 more, and then I will come in, I will divide the body parts. This is going to be on a regular size. I haven't blocked it or anything, but yeah, I really like how it's turning out. So when you flip it, this is how it will look like. See, it will fit I would say small size. It depends on how long I'm going to be crocheting, right? I can crochet up to I would say large size. Yeah, large size, it will fit comfortable. So when I post this on my Etsy shop, I will post it for sale that it will fit small, medium, large size. Okay, take care everybody. I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye. Okay, so before I let you go, I just wanted to show you, even I crocheted about 3 rows. This is how it looks like, the sleeve area. So I am planning to make a long sleeve, and then we'll go from there. Okay, I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.